Lord Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
You're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the markets always work.
Analysis and live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's good, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's get into it. Moving a little quickly here. I was a little late. Looking at GJ. This was yesterday's trade that we took on GJ. Ended up pushing down, hit TP1 and TP2, about 40 pips. If you held on to that, it actually went down about 55 pips before it pulled back up. So that was a nice win for us yesterday. What I'm going to do right now is just get this stuff off of the chart so we can start anew. Working on the breakout strategy. I was looking at this level here and this level here, but I wanted to measure what this would be. Probably not enough. Yeah, definitely not enough. So we need like at least 20 pips. And I wanted to take a sell on this, man. I was looking at this. Yeah, I think I want to jump into the sales, guys, on GJ. And it's kind of quick, and I'll explain to you guys why here in a minute. About 15 pip stop loss. Make sure you're calculating your risk. God, come on now. Come on now. Nice, nice, nice. It pulled back 553 to 544. Oh, that's not it. Almost sold the wrong thing. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take a sell now on GJ. I jumped into a sell here, and my price 18743. 743. And I'm actually gonna put this at 15 pip stop, and I'm targeting this liquidity down here at the bottom, but you know, we can move much further. TP1, it's gonna be right there. I am in sales, guys. I am in sales. 593. It's gonna be TP1. Okay. Gonna set an alarm, crossing down. I was looking at this when the waiting screen was on, and the intro. It's gonna be TP2 right here. This is at 188.443. Cancel. Okay, and we'll even throw in a TP3 because I think it has potential to push down some more. We have some news coming out at 2 GDP. 188.317. No, 293. 293. Okay. I do like this setup. because of the market structure to the downside, how it's pushed down here, it's pulled back up, created a lower high, and then we have continuation. Yeah, so this is what I was looking at for this here. But then we also have this break that basically was happening right now. That happened on the previous candle, in the 1 o'clock candle. Broke, it pulled back. It was a nice pullback. So for the market structure here, we got high, lower high, lower high, pushing down to the lows, breaking market structure, pull back, and then we have here breaking a breakout, right? So we have little level of support. This candle broke that line to the downside. This one we have a little pullback, and then we have some nice liquidity here, right? That'll hit our TP1 and potentially TP2 to match the equal lows down here. And if the pattern continues, then we'll be looking for a lower low than here. All right, but I also want to show you guys this on the daily. If we look at the daily, we zoom in, we're obviously bearish. We already had the pullback candle to retest the broken area, and then here we have continuation. We already have a wick to the upside. Can't see it because the marking's there, but there's a wick to the upside and it's already bearish, moving to the downside. We got about 14 and a half hours left on this daily candle. So the only real question that we have here is, we know it's going to go down, we just don't know if will it pop up above this high, clear this high to clear liquidity before it comes down, or will it start to continue down here based on the market structure that it's already formed here. So for Asian session, it ended up pushing up, so it wasn't even, if I turn on this session here, so we had push down and then a push up, so it's kind of like an even move, right? The continuation for that would be to the downside. All right, I didn't even get a chance to look at gold, but we're in this one, and yeah, we're in sales, we're going into profit right now. Any questions? Monitor, I don't know what that means. Hello, Teacher FX, what's good? What up? What up? Currently in Euro USD 5-minute shorts. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I mean, I can if I had a chance to look at it. Like, I'm not opposed to. I've kind of like this year been more inclined to the not block my blessings. I guess I'm feeling more confident in myself. Before I only wanted to take one trade, focus on one trade at a time, and that was really more too because I'm like live streaming and I don't want people to get into the habit of over trading. But like, if the trade is there and the setup's there and I'm not pressured to rush to do anything, like to jump into something, then I'm okay taking it. But looking at gold, really, I wouldn't want to take this. This looks ugly. This is probably set up for New York session. Yeah, you see, look at the Asian session, it's just been sideways. So usually if we get this sideways movement, then we'll probably get like some kind of manipulation. I'll show you. What are we looking at on the daily? So on the daily, we have this huge bearish engulfing candle from yesterday. We currently have like bullish candle here today. So the idea is it's probably going to pull back before it continues down, just to create that top wick. And just because we got a bullish engulfing here, like the indication is you get this doji candle running out of steam, bearish candle, bearish engulfing. So the continuation should happen, but more than likely you'll see that pull back up probably halfway through this candle before it pulls back down. So what you could see here for this session, seen as everything has kind of been falling here, you might see something like this where oops, who's messaging me? So this one will probably push up like this, kind of like seek that liquidity higher, retesting before New York session comes on, and then it comes down, something like that. Actually, it'll probably be more like this. Create that second high, and then create a lower high before it comes down. So we'll see this probably for London, and then New York will just push down for the continuation, if it's to continue. But what I want to look at right now is GJ, and yeah, let me set. This down. What was 18293? All right. Cheers. Yeah, so this is moving into profit. This is nice. I like the way it's moving. That's funny. Bro, I really like the whole, like, just being able to take trades here and then it automatically copy it over to the Telegram. Like, it's been pretty awesome. Yeah, man, like, you know, especially when you're scalping, you gotta be quick already, and like jumping in, calculate, like, yeah, like calculating my risk. Yeah, calculating my risk, putting in the lot size, taking the sells or the buys, adjusting time. No, I mean, everybody's gonna figure out their own risk, you know, like that's why, like when I'm taking it here, I'm saying it's 15 pip risk, so people can automatically adjust their lot sizing and risk management, and then I just enter, and then I have my stop and take profit. But if I like close partials, you know, it'll say partial closed, and then it'll update when I move my stops to break even or when I close the entire position. It's awesome. It's pushing up. This could just say fuck off and kick us out. We'll see. I'm hoping not. I mean, I really like the signs of rejection here. I like the bullish engulfing candle here. I don't really like this candle, but it's like the open of, well, open of London is still like half an hour away. We're in pre-London right now. run to the store, get me a Red Bull. That's why I was a little late. Was because I had to go get a Red Bull. Remember, we got news at 2 a.m. for GDP, GBP GDP news, month over month. I wonder what the expectation is on this. Oh, the forecast is 0.2%. Last month was minus 0.1. So if it's good news for GBP, that's kind of what we want, like better than expected. That way it'll drive this price down. Oof, 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 oof. She's pumping, huh? What up, CJ? Good morning, sunshine. Who won the giveaway? I haven't announced it, but let's we should do that. I'll look at the post right now. I think there's only a couple posts. If you haven't, I was doing a giveaway for, what was the giveaway? Oh yeah, 30-day access to the LB trades, the easy copy and paste. For whoever likes and comments, best comment wins. So let's go check out my Instagram. Bro, I took a sick ass trade on NAS 100 this morning during New York session. I woke up just a little too late for damn, man. And you know what, this might come right here to test the Asian high, and we're just below that. Damn, I should have put it right above that. I think I wanna adjust this a little bit, guys, to 20 pips. Yeah, and I'm gonna have to adjust this. Hold on. I'm gonna put it just above the high because it could come and tap that, and I don't want to get tapped out by a couple of pips. So adjust your stops. Why isn't this? Stop should be 188.943. And then that means TP1 is going to change to 188.543. Second TP is going to be 188.343. Bro, she is pumping up. She might just stop us out right now. Oh yeah, she stopped me out. Wow. Wow. Let's see here. Delete this. Damn, look at that. Came up to take this liquidity. Alright, we took an L here. But we're gonna adjust. I still think it's gonna come down. It's just at a better price now. Turn this shit off so I can see. Yeah, 100%. Yeah. I mean, I want to sell this thing right now. Let me see if I can. No, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait to get an entry candle. Because all I have is just the equal highs here that it took out that liquidity. It'll be hell of an entry, but I can't justify it without a proper candle for a confirmation to enter a sell. But I'm still thinking sells here. Just need it to give me an entry. If we look at this time frame, well, I mean, not this time frame, but if we zoom out here, we have this kind of direction, right? But if we zoom in here, we have this direction. So maybe we're kind of creating a little wedge here. Like a bearish wedge, because this has been pushing down and then it's squeezing it out here. So let's see if it breaks through here. Really, let's put this touching the wicks. Yeah, it's breaking right now. Excuse me. Thank God I didn't enter a sell. Bro, where the hell did all this volume come from? It's like 15 minutes before GBP opens. You know what? Let me look at gold. She didn't do much of shit. Honestly, I just think that this might be just coming up. Probably equal highs or take the liquidity above here to push down, to give it the power it needs to break a couple of areas, which is this, and this. So for it to be able to come take all that, it needs fuel. That makes sense. But then again, the market can do whatever the fuck it wants, right? Just completely violate us. It's funny. Yeah. Feel like I got in a little too quickly on this one. I really like the setup. It looked nice though. That's what I was looking at. We got about 10 seconds left on this candle. It's breaking through this trend line. See if it actually breaks it and what the next candle does, because the next candle, when the next candle closes, there's going to be news, GBP news, so could change things. Information changes situations. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Mexican fortune cookie. Bro, yeah, so my NAS 100 trade today was like phenomenal. Just beautiful. It just, this session, like the New York session ended, so it kind of moved sideways. I got out when the New York session ended. I was like, nah, I'm not holding. And I still think it's gonna push up, but we'll see what New York does. She's still pushing. Look at that. Still pushing. Should have just bought right here. Look at that. Damn. Been like 25, 30 pips right there. And this is still Asian session. I want to see how this candle closes, because depending on how this candle closes, we could get a pullback here and then a continuation. and that'll be the move that we can catch for London. And then maybe New York, it falls back down here. That's what I'm thinking. What do you guys think? Yay or nay? Yeah, because here's the daily high. You choose. YT says your analysis, careless mistake, bro. Okay. That's funny. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't see you. You can't even. You don't even comment on here. If you comment on there, I can. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I don't understand the statement. Your analysis, careless mistake. So, is it two different things you're saying? Like my analysis, and then I made a careless mistake, or my analysis is a careless mistake? Because that would make much sense to me. But I was looking at this before I came live, and that's why I had that bias, and I was wrong. And that's okay. It happens like that sometimes. Look at that, it closed below the trend line. Interesting. Not that I want to like argue your opinion. I'm just trying to understand what you're saying. Yeah, well, I've nothing else to talk about. What do you want to talk about, bro? Is there another pair you want to look at? Gold? Bro, I killed it on GJ yesterday, but gold hasn't fucking... look at it. It's just ranging. No, well, since yesterday, New York session pushed down, and then it kind of hit this level, and it's been moving sideways all Asian session. So we might get a push up to gain liquidity, which could be the move that you make. Like technically overall, a higher time frame, it's bearish. But if you think about it, scalping London session, you're just trying to take a quick move. The quick move is to take the liquidity here and possibly here, so it can come back down. You know what I'm saying? Continue down, I should say. So yeah, the move to make, like, your trade could be a buy, although it's in kind of going against the trend, it would be a buy. But maybe when you get up to these levels, you could see the market structure, and once you get that bearish market structure, then you could take a sell and then write it down further. I think the bigger move is to sell, but for London session, a quick trade, probably a buy. I mean, it's lovely when it matches with your higher time frame bias, but at the same time, there's still an opportunity either way. This could just be testing this upper level before it comes down. Damn, I really want to see how this candle's gonna close. I'm on the fence right now whether to continue buying or sell it. Well, the confirmation that I would need is this candle is going to tell me a lot, first of all, because we're wedging out here, and if it's closing below, rejecting below this trend line and giving me a bearish candle, then that's a good sign for a sell. I wouldn't enter on that candle. I would probably wait for market structure to the downside to develop, or look at a lower time frame. But if it closes bullish, then I would look for like a pullback entry to continue up, because it could be a break and a retest. But then at the same time, like at the close of this candle, there's news, so it could change things, you know, wild card, shake things up. 100%. I mean, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna be patient. It's 4.5 minutes. Like, I'm not gonna just take a trade to take a trade. Bro, I just realized, like, I'm talking and they can't hear you on my YouTube, I don't think. Nah. And so I'm like just talking to myself. I'm talking to myself, laughing with myself, and they're probably like, this guy is fucking, he's gone, he's off. It's all good, write me off, baby. We got about 4 minutes on this candle. And another thing is, like, if you understand how market structure works and how the sessions work, and another thing, you can kind of see here. So there's usually each session will have like it'll be in a certain market phase, right? And the market phases are, it's either trending up, moving sideways, or trending down. Right? And a lot, this is referred to as like the ranging is also called like accumulation. And a lot of people, when you get after the accumulation, you get what's called manipulation, taking the liquidity, and then distribution, which is the continuation of the overall higher time frame. So you have like the New York session here kind of ranging, and then you have the Tokyo session push down, take the liquidity of the low of the New York session, you see this, which would be the manipulation, right? Bounce off the trend line, push up to take this liquidity, and then maybe we'll see that pull back for an entry to continuation. Let's look at the daily. Damn, I hate this. Like, I like the sessions markup, but then on a higher time frame, it's just. Anyways, let me just hide this so you guys can see the candles. Now, from a market structure perspective, we have a low here. We have this breaking the low. Created a new low, created a level of support yesterday, but this candle is an inside candle. It didn't take out the high, closed lower, but it also didn't take the low, but it did close bullish. Okay, but that doesn't necessarily mean, oh, she's gonna head up. Like, I've seen a lot of times where this is just essentially the break, and here's the retest. This candle's the retest of this area, right? From here to here, this wick, this came back up into it, tested it, also tested this little level of consolidation, and this could be now creating the top wick before it comes down. Now, the top green line is right below the high of yesterday's high. Yesterday's high was Watch, I'll mark this out to make it easy. Yesterday's high was 189.204. 204, and I'll change the color of this to, let's change it to this color. Okay. All right. And yesterday's low was 187.983. 187.983. Okay. So then we go back down to the 15-minute, just so you can see where stuff is at. So currently this is pushing up. The closest liquidity to where the current price is this area, this the high of yesterday, right? If you understand the way the market moves from liquidity to liquidity. So if it's going to take out this liquidity, then it's going to start moving, making its way down here to take out this liquidity. And also there's like areas, right, that'll take out before. So this will give you kind of an idea of, okay, look at the range. If we know GJ is going to move, it moves anywhere from like 50 to 80 pips range a day. From here to here, we're already talking about 37 pips. So maybe we would be in a good position to take buys from here to here. Like that would be kind of your setup, right? Which is not a bad setup. Especially because this candle here broke, closed above the trend line, and this is just like the retest candle right here. And this could be retesting this area here that it broke. See this here? This is the break, and let this come down for the retest, and then you can probably get in. So I might take a, oh fuck, that's not what I wanted to do. Just trying to get rid of this. Just move this out of the way. So now we can just be patient. Because the news came out and it was as expected, so kind of neutral news, not better or worse, as expected. As expected is higher than last month, which is positive news. Which would bring this price down. That's what we would be targeting right there, about a 2.5% or 2.5 risk reward. But we want price to move down to this area. If price doesn't come down here, then I might not enter. I really want to see that push down. Here she comes. And what price is this at? Entry is at 188.833. What if that's a little lower? Yeah, I could enter there. Put this there. Give this this. No, that's not. That'll be alright. 833, 15 pip stop. And yeah, 37.1. Still 2.5. Oh fuck. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do is set a pending order. For a buy limit. And that's at price 188.833. And my stop is at 188.683. And my take profit is at 189.213. All right, it's coming down, guys. It's coming down, coming down, coming down. I'll let you know when I get triggered in here. We've got about 8.5 minutes left. Come on, baby. It's pushing down. Oh, come on, trigger it. Almost there. Come on, baby. Come on, trigger. You got it. You got it. It's for a buy, guys. It's for a buy. It's for a buy, and it's almost triggering. Come on, baby, push. You got it. Come on, you're like a pip away from triggering it. Oh, bro, please don't tell me you freaking missed my entry by a 0.3 of a pip. Come down. Come on down. Wow, dude. She's pulling back up. Damn it. Try to get it, that sniper entry, bro. Come on, man. I know you got it in you. Just push down a little bit. Push down a little bit. I ain't even gonna be mad, cause that was a hell of a fucking nice. Yeah, if this triggers and I lose this one, then I'm done for the night. And I'll be on for New York. Come on, baby. What's the price here? By a pip? 2 pips? It's the freaking spread, man. Come on now. Do. Oh, come on, baby. You got this. Oh, here it goes, Trigger it. I could get in manually, but I don't want to get in manually and then it'll also trigger. You know? I'm gonna be in 2 positions. It's literally like 0.7 pips away. We'll be patient. It's gonna trigger it, I know it. Bro, are you watching this? Oh. Are you streaming or no? Oh. Man. I feel like I should have just triggered it. Damn, it's pulling back up. Damn. I feel like I missed it. Look at that entry, bro. That would have been like on TradingView. The low here was 188.834, and my entry is 188.833 by 0.01, bro. 0.01. Whatever. I ain't even gonna sweat. I ain't gonna sweat it, bro. I'm just gonna leave it on there, and if it triggers it, it triggers it. If it doesn't, and it starts going back up and creates a new high, then I'm out. I'm gonna close the pending order, delete it, and just call it. You know, I'm not gonna be fighting it. I'm gonna be fighting for this damn thing. It's gonna either do what I want or see you tomorrow. Man, I gotta take a leak. Can you watch the chart for me real quick? Alright, I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. Nothing happened, bro. Nothing happened. Man, look at that. Pulled back up and it's pushing up. I hope it comes back down a bit. Just come down and knock me in there. It's gonna suck if I missed it by 0.01. It's gonna be a buy. Like, I'm gonna buy at this price. It just hasn't triggered yet. It hasn't got to that price. Oh, he's like, are we buying or selling? I need to know. First of all, hold on a second. You do what you want to do. I'm gonna buy right here once price gets down here. But this candle did come and just tap this. That little tap could be good enough and it could just go, but we might get another push into the zone before it comes up, which wouldn't be bad. Be all right. It would be all right. Just to come and take this liquidity up here from yesterday's high, and then I would probably look for sells. You could just play this thing up and down. Yep. We got more people today than yesterday. So Carl hasn't been on all day? Carl hasn't been on all day? Yeah. Somebody should check on him. Well, what if he needs help with something? Here she comes. Can you see that good, or should I zoom in some more? Better or worse? Come on, baby. Come on down to Funky Town. Yeah. Oh, here she comes. There she is. She triggered. Nice. Yeah. We got action. Damn, this thing is tripping. Tripping. Damn. Look like she's gonna stop me out. I'm about to get stopped out. Call it an early night. Well, let's hope not. I mean, shit, she's I just need her to pull back. She's got 2.5 minutes. Pull back and go back up. Oh damn. Yeah, she's gonna stop me out. She's down 9 pips. Oh, what a lovely day. Cheers. No, I saw it. Why? What song is it? She's down 8 pips. Not our day. Here she comes. About to stop me out. Boom. Yeah, she stopped me out. Ah, good job. 2 losses. GG's. Yeah, well, I'll be on for New York session. I just want to see how this candle closes. Because if she just wicked me out and pulls back up, I'm going to be upset. I could have waited for the reaction in the zone. Yeah. Oh yeah, but yeah, I should have waited. Should have waited. It's because like I like to set the pending order just in case like it just taps it and then turns around, because lately my interest has been really good, and that's helped me a lot, just putting like a pending order there and it just taps it and gets in. Because if I wait and I do it manually, if that little tap, that little pullback, I end up losing the entry that I wanted, you know? Because I've seen it where it just taps and then pulls up quickly, so that's what I was thinking in this situation. But realistically, I could have waited to see how this candle reacted in this zone here. Seeing that this candle just violated this, man. We could use this as a break and a retest for continuation. Should we give it one more chance? Sell, buy, sell. 3rd time's a charm. But then we have this liquidity right here, man. That's the only thing I'm kind of like, fuck. Like it didn't clear this liquidity. You know what I'm saying? Like, unless I put my stops up here. It's like a fucking 45 pip stop from down here. I mean, I could watch this candle. I could watch for price reaction in this zone. Basically, that's what I could do. We still gotta wait for the candle to close. You think so? No, this isn't a prop challenge account. It's just not trading a prop firm. Can you give a shout out to Isaac and Shyla from Dayton, Ohio? Shout out to Isaac and Shyla from Dayton, Ohio. Do I get in? No, definitely not. I mean, we lost. We took 2 L's here, but I'm looking. Maybe we get a pullback, and let's see how this candle closes. It's just not jump into anything too quickly, because we already did that twice. Yeah, man, it's kind of like when you get in that groove of staying up at night, it kind of starts to feel normal. Yeah, no, I know, I've done the same. I've been there. Oh, shit. Yeah, my sleep schedule's not too bad. I just got to remind myself to go to sleep early or try to catch a nap between New York and or London and New York. Damn, look at this thing, it's just fucking melting, bro. Like, Jesus Christ. Yeah, I should have took the sell right here at this bearish engulfing candle. Yeah, that's where I went wrong, ladies and gentlemen. But maybe we get a second chance. Or a third chance, actually, because we already did two. Yeah. Pull back and then a continuation. And then if we do that, I'm going to target this low right here. Something like that. But I want to see it come back. And there's no wick right here either on this candle. So I don't know what that means, bro. Yeah. Gerard Butler. Yeah. That seems a little intense. Bro, so how about all those amazing free agency moves? The Cowboys made. It's crazy, man. I don't understand how they do that. They be tripping. Look at that. Just melting. Cheers. Let's set another pending order here. The pending order was for 18762. And stop in profit level 18762. Stop at 9237. Let you guys know when it triggers. Trigger at 662. No, I'm just watching. What are you doing? Oh, you're talking. Nice. We're in, baby. Trade is entered. What is this? What is the enterprise 762? Profit is 972 and stop is 037. Alright, so we're in. Whatever happens, happens. It'll be the last trade. What? Oh. Damn, she's pumping up. I'm about to get smacked 3 times, bro. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know, man. I like the abuse. I like living on the edge. Yeah, right. Bro, did you see that the new Dodge EV, the next gen Charger? I think it looks ugly. Damn. Cheers. Bro, GJ's about to knock me out again. I'm not even joking. That sucks. Yeah, I'm about to get knocked out. Damn it. What a day. Well, yeah, it's more like, what, a couple of hours. Oh, she closed me out. Yeah. Not my day today. Try to get a sell here, closed out. Try to get a buy here, closed out. Try to get another sell here, closed out. Yeah. Yeah. We'll just work on New York session. We'll be alright. Yeah, I'm not gonna take another trade right now. I'm done for now. I still got Swiss JPY running in profit though, so it's good. But all right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and jump off. Horrible London session today, but I'll be back on for New York session with VIP if you're in my VIP. If not, I will see you guys for London tomorrow. Much love, much love. Peace.
Trading session in the books. Executing analysis, strategy, and discipline. Thank you for joining us for this live trading session with Lord Banks. Subscribe and turn on alerts so you don't miss the next Lord Banks live trading session.